Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good today, so I'm back with another video. And you guys, today's video is sponsored by XrsBeauty. One of their new clear lace wigs, y'all, undetectable hairline. And I'm so excited about trying it because I ain't never had that before. So yeah, we about to get into this wig real fast. It is a 20-inch 200 Destiny straight wig. Here you go, you guys. Oh my God, this is some beautiful lace. That's what it look like from the bottom to the end.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. Just getting money all around the world, cause girls is players too. What you know about living on the
It also came with the elastic band, a comb. I love these type of combs. A edge brush, a wig cap, and also some flexi rods in case you want to curl it or something. So yeah, y'all, next time y'all see me, I'll be getting my hair slayed with this clear lace, clean hairline, straight wig. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all, and continue watching so that y'all can see me get this wig installed.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, cause you see I. And now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better. It's making me better. I'm starting a new thing. It's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he gave me two things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Love has made me perfect. I'm a picture of His essence. It's true. It's true. I'm steadily changing. It's making me better. I'm starting a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it.
Y'all, get into my hair. Look at that lace. She didn't have to bleach it or nothing. It already came bleached and pre-plucked. Like, this got to be one of my favorite wigs. Like, this is amazing. It had little to no shedding. It was so soft and full. Thank you so much, XrsBeauty, for sponsoring this video.